Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We from Group 5 will present the result of our group work. Here are our group members: Zainal Basri with NIM 098, Akmal Putra with NIM 092, and Maulana Lazwardi Imani with NIM 091. First, Zainal will explain class.h and Zainal.h.
Yeah. So here I'm going to explain class.h. Class.h, first we use define class.h to define the file, and then we use include iostream, vector, string, iomanip, fstream, and algorithm. So here there's class user, which is to define username, password, and role, and yeah, it's for login in, and there's struct payment method to method to which is have through attributes details to save information on the payment, and we have struct transaction which have which will record the log of the transaction, and then struct pay later which record the pay later system, and we have vector which declare the file to be used on the file extern, and we have class product which define the product like product name, product price, and so on. And we have the keranjang which used for storing the item you chooses on the program. And we have struct pembelian which which represent detail of the purchase, which have the struct and so on. And we have void satu pembelian which add the payment to pembelian text-nya. Now we have vector pembelian which have void tampil pembelian, which is to display the payment and so on, and bool validate bank transfer which accept the bank transfer, and process bank transfer BRI payment which process the bank transfer of BRI, and there's BCA, BNI, and Mandiri, which just have the same function, have the same function, and show model menu which show the model. There's void menu merek which show the menu on the merek, and void laporan untuk melihat laporan pembelian, void employee menu which display the menu of employee, and void cara transfer bank which which show you the void cara pembayaran bank transfer which lead you to the menu to transfer your bank, and cara pembayaran credit card which lead you to eh apa credit card payment, and cara membayar e-wallet which lead you to e-wallet payment. And there's full login function to declare function to declare to lana.h, and void process card payment to to display process of the card payment. And we have validate e-wallet which is function to implement to branda zainal.h, and we have the void menu which called the vector on project alpro.ccp. Akmal?
The indef Akmal and define Akmal directive and the beginning and the end prevent multiple inclusion of this header file. The code includes next as a stream vector, string, iomanip, a stream, and a group. It also includes custom header class Yainal and Lana. The username std directive is used to avoid trafficking the std namespace. Void cat pembelian. This function happens process entry to and fill name pembelian txt in the format brand model price. Vector pembelian. This function reads the purchase from pembelian txt and returns a vector of pembelian object. Void urutkan pembelian. This function sort the pembelian list vector by brand either in ascending or descending order. Void tampilkan pembelian. This function display the purchase on the console. Will validate bank transfer. This function validates the bank account number and bank code. Function or process bank transfer. Process bank transfer and process bank transfer. Processing for different banks. They take the amount and a vector of transit to the transaksi. Void show model menu. This function display a menu of model for a selected brand and allow the user to add a model to the cart. Void menu. This menu display a menu of brand for a select type of part and the calls of model menu to select a model. Void lihat. This function reads, sort, and display a report of a purchase. Void cara pembayaran. This function display instruction for bank transfer payment. Void credit card. This function display instruction for credit card payment. Void pembayaran e-wallet. This function display instruction for e-wallet payment. Void employee menu. This function provides a menu for employees to manage product, including adding or removing product and viewing short product if support function like adding product to existing brands. Lanjut.
Header file lana.h defines and implements several functionalities relate to user management, authentication, and payment processing. Here's a breakdown of the various sections and functions. One includes a namespace. Then the file includes necessary headers such as stream, vector, string, Iomani, fstrip, and algorithm. It also includes custom headers, class.h, Zainal.h, and Akmal.h. The using namespace std directive allow the use of standard library features without reflecting them with std. Second, user vector initialis. A vector's user is initialized with some predefined user data. Third, user class implementation. User class constructor initialize username, password, and role. Member function provide access to the username, password, and role attributes and function check password validates the password. File of number 4, file operation for user data. Simpan pengguna, save user data to pengguna txt. back pengguna, reach user and from pengguna txt and populates the user vector. Number 5, user authentication is logged in. Function allow a user to log in by checking their credentials against the user vector. Sign in allows new user to register by adding their credentials to the user vector. User management logout. Set the login status to false. Tambahkan users. Adds a new user to the user vector and save the update data to pengguna txt. Hapus user. Remove a user from the user vector based of username and update the file. Lihat pengguna. Display the list of users. Cari pengguna users. Cari pengguna by username and cari pengguna by role. Search for user based on their username or role and display the relevant information. 7. Payment processing. Validate credit card. Check the format of credit card details. Process credit card payment. Process payment using credit card details after validation. Process pay letter payment. Either pay letter using the pay letter option by checking the available limits and updating the transaction logs. Function to manage pay letter bills. Check pay letter bills, pay letter bills, and check pay letter limit. Admin menu. Menu admin provide an interface for admin user to manage user, view user data, search user, and view overall report. It handles user input and executes the corresponding function based of the chosen option.
Now we have
Sekarang
project
siapa?
alpro.ccp, which have uh the vector that have the data of the items you want to buy, and when you eh, eh, and then it will show you the login option here down here, and it will ask you first for login or sign up. If you just login, it would ask you for you to log in as a user or employee. After that, if you choose role user, you you will be shown the user menu, and it will call upon the vector on the uh, upside of the rest of the code, and then if you and then you can just log out, which is would you log you out from the code, and that's all. Thank you. And now we will show you the running of the program. You as a user, then log in as a user 134, 134. Then you can see the catalog, which is the item, the mark, and after that the item. Now you can just to come back. You can see our cart. After that, you can even delete our items into cart. Hmm, now it's empty. Now just calc again to just an item. Come back and then you can check out. And now add the, our information. Go to pause. I can just the the delivery option, like one day, same day or the next day or express. will just the same day, and it will ask you if your information is right. And click yes. Now the code ended. Uh, no, not the code ended. Now you will be redirected to choose the payment methods. Now we will transfer bank, where E. Now enter the bank account number, bank code, and the result is sent. Now we can log out. Uh, Now we will log in as a user. Now we will get as a staff. Log in. Uh, can Here we can add product, like for example the model is we enter the price, and done. And we can see all the products sold, and it will ask you if you want you want to sort out ascending or descending depending on the price. And here we are. And after that we can delete products, and then first we need to enter the product name, then the product model, and then uh, it will delete the product. And we come back, wait, and we will restart the code to log in as an admin. Now we are log in as an admin, and we can see uh, see the users, and we can delete them, and we can change or add the user, and we'll delete the user, and it will ask for a username. We will be deleting user 2. It now deletes the user 2, and after that we can search for users, and we can it will ask you to search for through username or role. We will use the username, and we will search for Pagawai 2. Uh, and we will and it will show you the account information like the username, password, and role. And after that, we can see all the reports from here, like all the items sold, and then log out. Well, that's all. Thank you. That's all on our group project presentation. Thank you.